Hi guys!
Welcome to the end of the festival. This is the closing. It's not goodbye, it's see you soon, because this is not the end.
Hasta pronto.
Exactly, this is not the end. We've enjoyed it immensely. We've had a fantastic time putting this together for you. We've had a fantastic time working with all of the people that have collaborated with us, and we thank you for all of your donations to our charity, which is the Ronald McDonald's House in Malaga.
We continue collecting donations, we hasten to add.
Exactly.
The donations are going to stay open for the next few weeks, as are the videos that you've been enjoying over the last few days. So you still have time to watch everything if you haven't caught up on all of the sessions, the workshops, the tours, the masterclasses that we've put on over the last few days. You've still got time.
And if you really have enjoyed it and you know that there are people, in your environment that would also enjoy it, please share it with them. They can still sign up. They'll still receive everything to their inbox, and we really hope to be back with you again. So that's it from us.
That is it from us.
But
Anything else to say?
expect emails
We
from
had
us.
so much more to say before we started this video, but now we got into corporate mode.
I mean, expect more emails from us
because we've got lots of exciting, fun things coming up. We want to run the festival again. We are planning a Christmas festival, so keep an eye out for that. We are planning a retreat, for want of a better word.
Yes, an Experience Malaga, a presential,
Malaga.
like you can come and do all of the things that we've done in real life. You and your chosen travel buddies. And thanks for being with us, and thanks for joining us.
We're be here on this amazing roof terrace. It's fabulous for you, drinking vodka soda.
Thanks for being with us, guys. Thank you. Bye.